So I'm unclear on this. So.
You don't have to turn the oven on to use
just
the
to
timer.
set the timer.
Oh, but he had to sleep in the living room.
But he had to sleep in the living room so he could hear the oven go off.
So he doesn't own an alarm clock.
Apparently not. Maybe we should
why
chip
would
in
you?
and get him a alarm
Why
clock.
would you if you have your phone?
Sure.
Yeah.
But if your phone's on the fritz.
Because I have an alarm clock. In fact, I have 2 of them.
Of course you do.
I have an alarm clock. I set both.
You make 2 alarm clock money. Not a lot of people do. Okay?
I forgot.
I had the cops come to the hotel.
Now that the divorce is 20 years gone,
You're
I've got
pretty
enough.
modest about it.
I have enough for that second alarm clock.
Right.
Actually, I was able to keep both alarm clocks in my divorce.
Oh, good. Yeah,
She didn't want those?
No, she didn't need one.
Wow. How much did that joke cost you?
You're going to be pawning stuff the end of this week.
$4,000, but man, it's worth it.
Wow.
Man, it was
the old
worth
joke.
it. Yeah.
I give Oskay credit. I wouldn't have thought about that. I wouldn't have thought to set my timer.
No, I don't give Oskay credit at all. Oskay, why didn't he have?
You can set your microwave so it's on a timer, but it doesn't.
His
Right.
microwave
It
isn't,
doesn't cook.
unlike many of us, his microwave isn't in his bedroom, Josh.
Hang on.
Here we go.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Here's one of the fattest things I've ever done. These are the contents of my room.
Yeah.
Your bedroom?
I have a bed, of course. Yes.
A dresser.
The walk-in closet has now been converted into a walk-in freezer. Why wouldn't it have been? Microwave sits on the nightstand right next to my bed.
Sure.
Right?
Hurry up!
No, your nightstand's a refrigerator. What are you talking about?
Yes. All right.
those little
The nightstand is a mini fridge.
What kind of a mobile do you have above the bed?
Crackers.
Come
Have you ever?
So he wakes up, he can just
Yes. Yeah.
right off
Just
the
pull down a
mobile.
yummy treat.
Dangling sausages and things that I can just crane my neck and bite.
If you crank it, it plays a little song.
Right. And I don't have an alarm clock either.
No.
I just wait for the doorbell to ring.
For the
The
delivery guy.
Grubhub man is there with my many omelets.
The multi-omelet. That's how I wake up. God, you're a dick.
Sorry. No,
That sounds good.